Here we are, guys. Me and my brother. We're here at Jackson County Demolition Derby night. And it's going to be a big one. They are still coming in. And they said the house is right now over 300 people. Here we are. Look at this.
People here. I hope the viewers like this. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Hopefully we can get some more of this kind of entertainment going on for my channel. Preferably I like the paranormal, but this will work too. I dabble a little bit of everything.
Go down there.
Derbies.
Well, I thought it was maybe a while ago we had 4 different women signed in in the Derby. And I'll tell you what, once one of them women takes a big money home tonight, I'm sure all you ladies out in the stands will be cheering the fun when they come out on the track.
He's stuck.
Hope you guys can see it.
Here it is, guys. This is how full they are now. And then this is just, they had to put the cars on the track because they don't have no room over in the field. They're over here. That's all Demolition Derby cars over there.
All the way back in there. That's back in the pits.
This is what's out on the track because they ran out of room. This is probably Jackson County's biggest Demolition Derby night ever.
Look at all the cars. They're going to start cutting the ticket stand for too long. So many people. They really wasn't expecting this many. But it is what it is. They make it.
Here it is, guys. Here it is, guys, getting ready to start. They said they got 350 cars.
Well, now hold on to your seat. Your half of the 50-50 is $1,125. That's your half.
All gonna go on that little track. Stay tuned, guys, because this is just some of what's happening right now. I'm going to keep on filming. I just want to update. This is on Saturday night, Jackson County Raceway. They're getting ready to have one of the biggest demolition derbies that they've ever had. There's over 350 cars going to be entering, so I'm going to post this right now, and I'm going to film the demolition derby next. I just want you guys to know it's coming up.